nagsama po sa amin. Alam ko, tuloy po lang yung very nice. So thank you so much. But again guys, ang pagkapanalo ko pong ito ay para sa inyong lahat, para sa bansa. Sana po pagpatuloy na supportahan niyo po ako hanggang sa dulo, hanggang sa end ng aking race. And after that guys, we will be having our new candidate for the Philippines. Representing again the international stage. So I hope you don't only support me, but also support the candidates of Miss Grand. I will also take this opportunity to invite you guys for the coronation night that's gonna be on July 16 sa MOA Arena po. Sana makapunta supportahan silang lahat. But then again, also support the candidates from all around the world. Miss Grand International is